So this is when it gets fun. This is when we start to try a lot of new foods, all varieties, and it becomes very important, particularly in the breastfed baby, to introduce iron-containing foods, and in all babies, to introduce some allergenic foods. So in the 6 to 9 month age group, you want to pay particular attention to iron-containing foods and some allergenic foods. So beans, lentils, chicken, beef, eggs, and then plenty of fruits and veggies and plenty of whole grains are all wonderful choices to introduce to your child. So starting at 6 months, your baby may only start with one small meal a day. But the goal over those 3 months is to get to 3 meals a day, a nice breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In the beginning, your baby is only going to eat close to a bottle feed or a breastfeeding session. But by 9 months, your baby's going to eat 3 meals, and the nursing or the bottles will be more in between meals, because those meals are going to get much more filling as your baby gets more practice and gets more comfortable eating more of those foods. So then usually around 8 months or so, your baby develops what's called a pincer grasp, and that's when they can pick up little objects, little pieces of dust on the floor, maybe a Cheerio with their index finger and thumb. And that tells us that your baby may be ready to start finger foods. And this is important to get your baby used to different textures of food, not just really smooth consistencies and purees. So around 8 to 9 months, once your baby has that pincer grasp, it's important to let your baby practice with small pieces of food. So a good rule of thumb is about a 1/4 inch piece, not firm and round like a grape or a piece of hot dog or a piece of popcorn, but 1/4 inch soft, gummable pieces of food. A lot of parents ask about your baby not having teeth and that they need teeth to have all these solids. But the fact is that when those first teeth come in, they're actually only for cutting, not for chewing. And babies do not need teeth to have pieces of solid foods. So while you're preparing a puree meal, for example, you can cut up a little bit of avocado or a little bit of banana and put it on your baby's tray for him or her to practice picking up and feeding. And you can also do the same, pick up pieces and put it in the baby's mouth. If your baby starts to gag, please take a break, hold off for a week or 2, and then maybe try again. But it's important for your baby to get used to and practice over time with those pieces of solids. Good luck!